3ds Max and AutoCAD. Alamak, aku tak save. Sekejap Itu assignment lepas. Assignment lepas. AutoCAD. Yeah. Not this one, not this one. Small tabs. Mana I have to find apa tu. Saya dah mula rekod. Thank you people. You run ada 1 minit. Bayar ni. Pipah masukkan sekali nombor account. Duit pay ataupun masuk QR code kan. So dorang just QR code. Masyuk. Kan. I have to log into my ni. Sekejap Okay. Team. Teaching subject. Okay. Cat 1. Assignment lepas. Nak dah assignment lepas. Day 9. The core expert. This one. Tengah cari ni je. I have to log into the sim. Sekejap Semua dah buka ke? Is everybody open your CAD and also 3ds Max?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, what I need you to do first, you have to save as. Save as that one for export to 3D Max. So you open that as a agent, as your agent. Okay, you save because if you need to delete all the unnecessary detail in that. Wait, You can delete all the wait, I later you delete everything. Your assignments. Okay, just download the plan. Oh. Okay, let me share my screen. Screen. Share. Okay, yang tak best apa ni? Okay. Siapa punya, whose plan is this? Nama dia Abu, bukan nama sebenar. Okay. Alright. So I need you to delete all the unnecessary. You save as first. All save as. This one is under for export. Because when you want to export it to the 3D, you need to minimize all the unnecessary things. You have to delete all the unnecessary things. Wait, okay, 2000 G. This one. Oh. Save for export. Okay, so like this one, you have to delete. Apa ni? Oh, dah buat dia punya 3D lah pun. Okay tu. This one also you can delete. Okay. This one also you can delete elevation. Because this one is I just want you to export the plan. This one also later you can delete also this one. Okay, okay for the dimension also you can delete. Because you just need the plan. Delete it all. Even this one also you can delete. Delete. Okay, so you have the plan and roof plan, and also the side plan. Okay, then remember, if you want to you can see this one, right? X and Y here. So if like me last time, I need anything I want to do, all I make it closer to the dimension here. So easy. Closer. If you do it here, there, everywhere, later if you export it to 3D, you might lose the thing that you export. Okay, so another thing is make sure the roof here is parallel with your plan. Okay, let's see how to make it a parallel. Okay, I'll take one of example here. So this is the wall here, right? The end of the wall. So I'll move it according to the roof, because if not parallel, later you will have a difficulties. So it's parallel. So make it more closer to each other. Okay. So later, the concept is, the theory is, you will develop the model of this house, and then you will develop the roof, and then remember, you have to place the roof here. So you just move it one direction, in direction X only. So you need to go X, Y, Z. So that this one is parallel. So all the dimension also not needed in the 3D Max, so we can delete it. Even the words also no need, because we just need the wall, the item here, the wall, the line here. The side plan depend. I think just remain it like that. If we export it, make your 3D make heavy, then we can delete it. Okay, so that's all. Then we save it. Then we open our 3D Max. Okay, then when we open our 3D Max, first of course we have to adjust the unit setup, not normal. So it's already in millimeter. Everything is okay. International. All right. So then okay. Then we try to either import or link. Depend lah. If me, I just use import. Okay, before that, I also want to explain to you, when we want to import, there are merge, right? Okay, merge is when you have another 3D files, and you have another 3D files, you want to merge it with your 3D, your current 3D. 3D and 3D we use merge. It will be merge. Let's say you develop one component in other file. Use FL, let's say roof, and then you close, and then you open another 3D file that is a wall and everything. So you want to merge this. So you use merge. Okay. Normally in here, I always use import, merge, replace. I never use it. Link Revit also never. Link API also don't know how, what. And I also rarely to use this. For me, maybe you can start to use the link AutoCAD, and then you just reload. That's what I taught you last lecture, right? Okay, so import. You just import pump. Import or format is drawing. Where is drawing? AutoCAD drawing pump. Okay, then you go find your file. Okay, so mine is in a Dropbox. You see, teaching subject. Ada tadi CAD 1, and then assignment CAD 1. You can note this one. 3D Max. This one for export. See, pump. And then open. Boleh tak? Yes. Okay. Okay. So I want to develop the wall of this building. Okay, there are two ways actually. Last time I taught you to use a line, kan? Line, and then you just draw the line, and then, okay, let's say it's here. Let's say I just draw the line. Okay, I press shift to make it more straight, to make it straight. Let's say I draw back all the plan. Pump. Okay, like that. Pump. Yes. And then I extrude it. Okay, then I extrude. Okay, then the building is, let's say I make it 4,000 height. Height 4,000 mm. Ada 4,000 mm sini. Sikit. Okay, wait. 4,000 mm like this. I have something wrong with the scale, I think. So I delete back all. Leave and import back, import. Or we try to link AutoCAD. Export link, open. Drawing save file. Enter this file. Okay. But yes, we try to extrude it. Okay. 4,000. Eh? 4,000 tak boleh. Ada yang jadi macam ni juga tak?
Ada sir.
Jadi macam tu juga. 4,000 dia problem ni kalau macam ni. Okay. Lebihnya. Or else, or if 40,000, there's something wrong with the scale here. Means, let's say if we want to add, we have to add more. We have to add more zero. Okay, so let's say you want to extrude it as 4,000, but it's like this. It maybe only the limit only read it as 400 mm. But if you want to add it more to 4 meter, means 40,000. This is almost like 4,000 4,000 m 4,000. Okay, it's okay. Try. Yeah. Okay, there are two ways. The other ways is like this. The advantage is, let's say your plan is like this, kan? Let's say your plan is like this, and then when you are about to develop a multi-story building, so you just take the outline, outline. And then when you extrude it, the 3D Max will read it very light. In your file is very light. That is why your computer also no need to be so powerful, and then they can read it. That is how you minimize the usage of your RAM. Because last time, my era last time, my computer's RAM is only 256 MB RAM. So I have to minimize the complexity of my model. Let's say, if you use this, okay, then I introduce you to another one feature here. Okay, to develop a wall. Go to here. Yeah, the wall. Extended compound. That's fine. Compound shape. Plants. Yeah, standard primitive. Okay, this one. You go to the standard primitive here, and then click AEC extended. Okay, AEC extended, and then you will find a wall here. Okay, wall railing. Okay, when you click the wall, okay, there are justification here. Okay, you can adjust the width. The width of the what is only normally is only 150, and then the height earlier, let's say we make it 4,000, and then we can use as a center. Okay, and then we can on the snap here. Okay, let's say we use the center here. Itulah something wrong with the scale of this drawing. Okay. Okay, then we can build the wall. Okay, let's say you just go here, line straight here. Then you can follow the profile. The circulator, and you adjust the height and the width according to the scale. Okay, like this. Okay, where else? So you're using a center, kan? So you just use all the center line. Here, here, and here. And then, yes. Then you escape. Okay, you can see the wall here. Pendek, check out. Okay, so it means there are something wrong with the scale here. I don't know why. So let's try 1500. Pun tak cukup besar juga. This is too big. Or else here, output. Oh, tadi tu. Okay, wait, okay, I know. Maybe units. Decimal degree, all is already in millimeters. Okay. Millimeters. DI 150. DI 4000. DI 1000. Problem if the scale is not right. 4000. Okay, that is actually how to develop a wall. Okay, you can use a wall. Okay, I maybe have to click all this again. Click off. Tak boleh diklik dah. Boleh delete. Oh, because it's link AutoCAD, not import. Okay, so try to make a new things here. New all. Quit without saving. Okay, I try to import again. Import AutoCAD drawing. Okay, yes. Okay, this one. Result model styles. Oh, this one. Try to we forget to make it rescale according to millimeters here. Hopefully everything is okay. Rescale. And then try. Okay. Okay. Try again. Okay, I use the wall. You see? We must click the rescale first. Okay, so now it's already happy ending. So this is according to the real scale. Okay, you don't forget to, when you import it, you must click the rescale button. Okay? Am I have to repeat? Mau dapat?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good Okay, then now we can do our model hati. Okay, so we draw the wall. Okay, actually, I always use center lah. If you use left, means if you take here, so it's left. Take the left line as a reference. Okay, escape back. If you use right, bukan ni. Konsep Murabi, Citra Usin. Thank you, Nat. Okay, if you click right, okay, you use the right. Understand, Nat? That is why last time myself, I just use the reference. The reference line, the grid line. Okay, I use center. Okay, let's say our width of the wall is 150, the height is 4000. Okay, just follow lah. Just follow accordingly. And then this is not a wall. Okay, just do the wall. The wall. Okay, this is the wall. Until the end here. And then yes, and then you have to escape. So that is the wall lah, kan? Maybe 4000 is too high. Maybe I just put it 3500. Okay, then you make another wall inside here. You just follow whatever wall that you have. Okay, here. And then go to here. And then escape. And then where else? Here. Here. Okay, for this time you just can use it like this. Escape. You see? Mana lagi? Ni lagi kan? Where else? Okay, this one is wallets from here to here. Escape. Okay, that's all. Finish. Wall. Okay, and then alternate W. Right? See? So that's the wall. Simple. Okay, and then we want to try to make the floor. As for the floor, okay, actually ada. You can put ada layer kan ni. Okay, no layer. Okay, then you want to develop the floor. For the floor, you just go back here, then you draw back here. Okay, for the floor, okay, you can use the line. But if you apa ni? If you use the snap, be careful because sometimes when you put the snap, okay, here, and okay, this the flow also. Okay, just use this palm. Careful lah. Okay, I will show you what's the problem when you. Alamak. Okay, delete balik. Delete. Okay, you just back the line. Okay, here, palm. Apa ni? Okay, just follow lah. Just follow first. Okay, yes. But don't simply extrude it because why? You check back. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, yep. Okay, you can see or not? You see? Then when you click spline, sometimes when you click the snap, it snap here. Okay. So what you need to do, make sure it's all straight first because if you extrude it, it will be difficult. It will not according to what you want. So when you click here and then you click this and then you click this and then you click here. Okay, and then you move it to here. B is here. Okay dah tu. Okay, then you turn around again. It's all okay. Okay, this one okay. This one all is okay. Then you just can extrude it. Modify list, go here back. And then extrude. For extrude, for the wall, the flow is normally 150 or 100. We put it 100. So that is the floor. Okay, clear. So we finish do the floor and wall. Okay, now let's make a window. Okay, here I also see is an object. I saw a windows here. Okay, awning, casement. Okay, try because normally when during my time, I just do my own window. Okay, try casement. Okay, wait. We do in the plan. Okay, let's say window is here. Okay, what type of window you want? Pivot, awning. Okay, let's say casement. Okay, height of the window you can adjust. Normally height of the window is, let's say 1800. Or maybe you can refer to to this. Or you will just delete the elevation earlier. It's okay. Then we open back. Not this one. Just nice. Kantoi dah nama Ikhwan Rusli kat situ. Kita delete nama Ikhwan Rusli. Okay kan Ikhwan Rusli bukan nama sebenar. Alamak, mana ni? Okay. So ni model. We click the model. Ignore. Model lah. Okay, so this is casement lah This is casement according to the Ikhwan Rusli's drawing, bukan nama sebenar. Buat sliding door je Wan Okay. It's open secret now. Okay, let's say just we do a casement, the height, the depth, the width, the depth, let's say 150. And then the width, 3000. See first. We still don't know. And then the height is 1800. Okay. Oh, boleh. Bila. Casement. Casement. Bagi straight. Okay. Go up. Ni apa dia punya height. Dia punya depth. Okay, because our ni, if you can see it here. Okay, wait. Okay, try first. Do first. Okay. Then we adjust it here. The height is 1800. See? The width is 1500. And then the depth is 150. So that is our window. That is our window here. See? This is the window. The view. And then we try to rotate it. So that is our window. You can adjust lah. You can adjust anything else. Okay, this is when you use this. Wait, okay, when you want to rotate it to 90 degree. Z here, Z. So it will be like that. We go back to the ni. We go back to the alternative view. Here. Put it here. And sini. So that is our wall kan. So we have to adjust. If you want to adjust that, go to the modifier list here. Adjust back. Berapa kau punya ni? 600. The height is 1900. Since that is for toilet is only normally the height is only about 600 feet. The width is also 600. See first. See 600 or maybe 750. And then that remain 150. And then we go back to the 3D. We can see the window there. And then we want to leave it up. We can change the color first. Let's say this one. Nampak tak? Then we can move it up. Okay, two ways. Either you want to up. You have to unsnap. Okay, you something like this, or you can adjust it here. The height of the ni normally put 7 feet, 6 feet, 6 feet from the floor. So it's 1800. Kan? Nampak Okay, we can see it. If you want to see it, sometimes this is the problem if you use the library. Shift Q. If you want to try to render it, okay, I teach you how to render. Press Shift Q. Okay, nampak tak? Okay, tak nampak. Okay, close, cancel, close back. Nampaknya kau nak render. Render yang ni je kot. Okay, this is the problem when we use a component, using your component 3D. This is only one. What happens if you multiply it? There's a lot of components. That is why it will take some time to render everything. Okay, there are another way. If you want to develop the like door or window, even though you have the door, also door here is stairs. You can explore. So you want to build a staircase here, stairs, door, everything is here. avoid sliding. But normally myself, I always use how I draw it. I draw it. How I draw it? Just use like this. Okay. Yeah, change photography. Okay. Okay, there are also one more trick here. How to, if you want to draw it in a 3D. Okay, don't draw in perspective, because it's perspective. If you zoom it, sometimes not, you want to zoom according to what you want, it's very difficult. So you can change it here. You just click and then you use orthographic, or you can press U. Because if you press it U, so when you zoom it, it can be zoomed according to what you want. Okay, then let's do a window here. But for me last time, I draw by myself for the window, because it's just easy. You just use rectangle. A rectangle, you on back the snap, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Or you can just, and then, or you can extrude it. Extrude, as for the window, you know the dimension of your window, right? You can extrude, okay. Ni apa ni tingkap kan? Or maybe this, yeah, this is the window. Window ni one. Ke sliding door one. Okay, I assume that is a sliding door, maybe. So the height of the sliding door is to 100, 7 feet. Okay, then what I do, I just copy. Okay, I escape. I on the snap, and then I press the move button. Okay. Oops. Cancel. Okay. Move it here. Okay. And you can on the snap. That is the window frame lah. Okay, you can move it here also. Okay. You can, don't forget to press shift when you want to move it. Okay, this is not according to the new what we want. Okay, move it here. See? Then what else? I do the rectangle again here. And then I extrude. Okay, the thickness is 50. So it's 50. You see? Then we can bring it up here. Okay. Okay, so done. Okay, let's say you want to, that is why sometimes why I don't like to use the window from library, because it's very limited. Really limited. If I use something like this, if I draw it, I can design according to my desired design. Okay, let's say I want to design. Okay, I just copy. Okay, wait. Cancel back. Okay, you click on me. Okay, let's say this is your name. And then you can put a copy, yes. And then put it 300, 1000 to 1800. Like that. Okay, that is something like the casement, the top hung kan. Okay, and what else? Yeah,
Wish ni geng-geng data ni.
Dia kot.
Tiba-tiba hilang semula. Kau guna CFI.
Data-data.
Aku tengah guna data ni.
Boleh ya? Pakai data kau?
Data aku. Saya guna iWish kat kedua.
Semua tu semua
Data.